Transferring a database file like database.db from one server to another is essential for maintaining continuity and avoiding the painstaking process of setting everything up from scratch. Whether you're running a WhatsApp bot, managing an application, or simply hosting an online service, having a methodical approach to this process ensures smooth transitions with minimal disruptions. This guide provides a comprehensive walkthrough to help you confidently move your database to a new server. When dealing with servers, the first thing to consider is the tools you'll need. For this guide, we'll use Termius, a versatile SSH client that simplifies remote server management and file transfers. The interface of Termius is user-friendly, allowing even beginners to navigate servers, manage files, and execute commands seamlessly. Before diving into the steps, ensure you've installed Termius on your system. It's available for multiple platforms, and setting it up with your server credentials is straightforward. Once configured, Termius becomes your central hub for managing all server-related activities. The process begins with preparing the new server. Migrating a database is more than just moving files, it involves ensuring the server environment is ready to support your application. Start by logging into your new server via Termius. After you have logged in Termius, the first step is to install essential tools and dependencies that your application or bot might require. Mine are for a WhatsApp bot, and the page is as shown on screen, which is on GitHub. The first include Git, Fmpeg, and curl. These tools are foundational for many online services, enabling smooth operation of processes and handling a variety of tasks like file transfers and application dependencies. After installing these essential tools, copy the second code and run it. This focuses on setting up the necessary runtime environments. Most modern bots and applications rely on Node.js, a powerful JavaScript runtime. Setting up Node.js ensures that your bot can run its scripts efficiently. Following this, copy the third code and run it. It requires installing Yarn, a package manager, streamlines dependency management. It ensures that all required libraries are installed and updated properly. After installing Yarn, the fourth step is to set up PM2 by copying the code and run it. PM2 is a process manager for Node.js applications. PM2 ensures that your bot or application runs continuously, even after the server reboots or experiences interruptions. With the new server environment prepared, it's time to do the fifth step, cloning the repository hosting your bot or application. This step recreates the project structure on the new server, setting the stage for database integration. As well, copy and run it in Termius after it has been executed successfully. Now, let's discuss the actual database transfer. The database file, in this case database.db, contains all the configurations, user data, and settings that power your bot or application. Losing this file means starting afresh, which can be time-consuming. Therefore, it's crucial to move this file accurately. Termius makes this process straightforward. Once connected to your server, navigate to the SFTP tab. This feature provides a graphical interface for transferring files between servers or between your local computer and a server. In the SFTP view, you'll see two panels, one showing the file system of your current server and the other showing your local system or another connected server. Locate the database.db file on your old server. To move this file, you first need to specify its destination. If transferring to your local system, navigate to the appropriate folder on your computer. If transferring to another server, connect to it using Termius and navigate to the target directory. Selecting the correct destination is critical to ensuring the file ends up in the right location. Once the destination is set, select the database.db file, right-click, and choose the option to transfer it. The transfer process depends on the size of the file and the speed of your connection, so patience is key. Termius provides a progress indicator, allowing you to monitor the transfer and ensure it completes successfully. After the transfer, verify that the file is present in the destination directory. Skipping this verification step can lead to unexpected errors later in the setup process. With the database transferred, the next step involves integrating it into your new server setup. This part is crucial, as it ensures that your application or bot recognizes and utilizes the database. begin by updating the configuration files of your application. These files typically contain settings like database paths, credentials, and other environment-specific details. Open the configuration files in a text editor and update the database path to reflect its new location. This step ensures that your bot or application communicates with the correct database. Once the configurations are updated, it's time to restart your application or bot. Using a process manager like PM2 simplifies this step. PM2 not only starts your bot but also ensures it runs continuously, even after server reboots. Testing the bot at this stage is crucial. Interact with it as a user to confirm that it retrieves data from the database correctly. If you encounter any errors, double-check your configurations, file permissions, and the integrity of the database file. A successful migration involves more than just technical steps. It also requires thorough testing and validation. After restarting your application, test all functionalities that depend on the database. This might include user authentication, message handling, or any other core features. By testing extensively, you can identify and fix issues early, ensuring a seamless transition for your users. Transferring a database file might seem daunting, especially for beginners. However, with the right tools and a step-by-step approach, it becomes a manageable task. Termius simplifies file transfers and server management, making it an ideal choice for this process. Moreover, preparing the new server thoroughly ensures that the application runs smoothly after the migration. The importance of backing up your database cannot be overstated. While this guide focuses on transferring the database to a new server, the same principles apply to creating backups. Regular backups protect your data from unexpected server failures, ensuring you always have a copy of your configurations and user data. Before initiating the transfer, consider creating a backup of the database.db file. This provides an additional layer of security, allowing you to restore the database in case of any issues during the transfer. The process of transferring a database also highlights the significance of maintaining organized server environments. Keeping your servers updated, removing unnecessary files, and documenting configurations can simplify future migrations. A well-maintained server not only performs better but also reduces the time and effort required for tasks like database transfers. If this tutorial helped you, remember to ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips and tricks. And if this video amazed you, I have more in store. Click on the next video on the left of your screen to discover how to unlock hidden WhatsApp features. You won't want to miss it. See you there.